Welcome to today's video about the health benefits of baking soda. What if I told you that one of the most powerful remedies might be sitting in your kitchen right now? Yes, we're talking about baking soda. But do you know how this common household item can impact your health beyond baking and cleaning? Today, we're exploring the amazing ways baking soda can benefit you, from soothing your stomach to boosting your workouts. You might be surprised by how effective it is. But how does it work? Are there any risks to using it daily? Stay tuned as we uncover the facts, debunk the myths, and learn how to use baking soda safely. You might change how you see this simple powder in your pantry. Don't go anywhere. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on this exciting journey into the secrets of baking soda. We'll also share a surprising health tip with baking soda that you won't want to miss. Just a quick reminder, the information in this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. All information shared here has been verified by professional researchers. 1. Improves oral health. A common household item, baking soda, is known for its effectiveness in maintaining oral health. It's found in many toothpaste formulations. Its mild abrasive properties help remove plaque and surface stains from teeth. This leads to whiter teeth and better overall dental hygiene. Studies, such as one published in the International Journal of Dental Hygiene in 2019, show that toothpaste with baking soda remove plaque better than toothpaste without it, without being harsh on enamel or gums. Sodium bicarbonate's unique chemical properties allow it to clean deeper into the tiny spaces between teeth compared to products without it. Its alkaline nature helps neutralize acids from bacterial metabolism in the mouth, which can prevent tooth decay. To use baking soda for oral health, you can simply sprinkle a small amount on a wet toothbrush and brush normally. Another method is to mix it with water to create a homemade mouth rinse, which cleans gently and soothes minor mouth irritations. This versatile compound not only ensures cleaner teeth but also fosters a healthier oral environment. Regular use, along with proper dental hygiene, can significantly improve oral health, leading to fewer cavities and a brighter smile. 2. Heartburn relief. When stomach acid causes discomfort by reaching the esophagus, a solution of baking soda and water can neutralize the acid and provide quick relief. This works because baking soda is a base with a pH higher than 7, which counteracts the stomach acid. To use baking soda for heartburn, dissolve about half a teaspoon in a full glass of water. Drink the mixture slowly to avoid secondary symptoms like gas or bloating, which can result from the release of carbon dioxide during the neutralization process. While not often featured in recent research, an article in the Journal of Basic and Applied Sciences confirms the effectiveness and safety of sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, as an antacid. It highlights its role in neutralizing stomach acid and managing symptoms like heartburn, when used properly and in moderation. For people who experience occasional heartburn, this home remedy can be very helpful. However, if heartburn is frequent or severe, it's important to consult a healthcare provider, as it could be a sign of a more serious condition like gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. Relying on any home remedy, including baking soda, without proper medical advice could lead to complications or hide a more serious health issue. 3. Improves kidney health. Sodium bicarbonate can help improve kidney health, especially for people with chronic kidney disease, CKD. It does this by helping to manage the body's pH balance. People with CKD often have a condition called metabolic acidosis, where there is too much acid in the body due to poor kidney function. Sodium bicarbonate helps to neutralize this acid, making it easier for the kidneys to maintain a healthy pH balance. A study in 2023 found that CKD patients who took sodium bicarbonate supplements were less likely to see their kidney disease get worse quickly compared to those who did not take the supplement. This is because the supplement reduces the strain on kidneys by helping to filter out excess acid, which may help them work better for longer. Those thinking about using sodium bicarbonate for kidney health usually take it orally, either in tablet form or by dissolving baking soda in water. The starting dose is usually low and adjusted based on individual needs, and it should always be taken under a doctor's guidance. It is very important for people with kidney conditions to talk to their doctor before starting any new treatment to make sure it is safe for them. Regular checkups with a healthcare professional are also essential to avoid potential problems like electrolyte imbalances or higher blood pressure. 4. Exercise enhancer. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, can help boost athletic performance, especially in high-intensity sports. It works by balancing the body's pH levels and reducing acid buildup in muscles during tough exercise. When muscles produce lactic acid, it can decrease performance and cause fatigue. Baking soda helps buffer this acid, delaying muscle fatigue and helping athletes perform better for longer. Research, including a 2023 study in the European Journal of Applied Physiology, supports the benefits of baking soda. The study showed that taking baking soda orally can significantly improve sprint performance over multiple sessions, highlighting its potential in short, intense activities. For those looking to use baking soda for performance, the usual method involves taking about 0.2 to 0.3 grams per kilogram of body weight, roughly 1 to 2 hours before exercise. This should be dissolved in water and consumed slowly to avoid stomach discomfort, which is common. It's wise to start with a lower dose to see how your body reacts before increasing to the optimal amount. Because of its sodium, people with high blood pressure or heart conditions should talk to a healthcare professional before using baking soda. This strategy is popular among competitive athletes who need to keep up their high-intensity efforts in events or training sessions. 5. Prevent skin infections. Baking soda can help prevent skin infections because it has antimicrobial properties. A 2013 study found that diluted sodium bicarbonate solutions can stop the growth of certain bacteria and fungi that cause skin infections. This is especially useful for people with conditions like athlete's foot or folliculitis, where the skin's protective barrier is weak. To use baking soda for preventing skin infections, you can make a paste by mixing 3 parts baking soda with 1 part water. Apply this paste directly to the affected area, leave it on for a few minutes, and then rinse it off with warm water. This can help soothe irritated skin and prevent the growth of bacteria and fungi. Another way is to add half a cup of baking soda to a bathtub filled with warm water. Soak in the tub for 15 to 20 minutes. This can help reduce symptoms of skin infections and provide a protective barrier against bacteria. After the bath, gently pat your skin dry to avoid irritation. Remember, baking soda can be helpful for minor skin issues and as a preventative step, but it is not a replacement for professional medical treatment. If your skin infection is severe or doesn't improve, always consult a healthcare provider. 6. Improves digestive function. Sodium bicarbonate or baking soda can help improve digestion, especially for those with occasional indigestion and upset stomach. When taken, it works as an antacid, neutralizing stomach acid and easing discomfort. This not only provides quick relief from bloating and heartburn, but also helps digestion by reducing stomach acidity. To use it, dissolve about half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water. Drink this slowly to avoid extra gas and bloating since it produces carbon dioxide gas. Research from 2007 found that baking soda might help people with functional dyspepsia, a type of chronic indigestion. This means it could make life better for those with ongoing digestive issues. However, use baking soda in moderation. Too much can cause an alkaline imbalance. People with kidney problems or those on low-sodium diets should be cautious. Always talk to a healthcare provider before trying any new treatment for persistent or severe symptoms. 7. Reduces urinary tract infections. Using baking soda may help reduce urinary tract infections, UTIs, by making urine less acidic. Many bacteria, like E. coli, prefer acidic environments. Baking soda can make urine more alkaline, creating a less favorable environment for these bacteria. A 2018 study in the International Urogynecology Journal looked at how changing the urine's pH through diet affected UTI recurrence. The study found that patients who altered their diet to make their urine more alkaline, including using baking soda, had fewer UTIs compared to those who didn't make dietary changes. To use baking soda for this purpose, dissolve half a teaspoon in a full glass of water and drink it once daily. It's important to do this under the guidance of a healthcare provider because too much baking soda can cause health issues like electrolyte imbalances. Additionally, while baking soda may help prevent UTIs, it cannot replace antibiotics for treating an active infection. If you have a UTI or get them often, consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. 8. relief from gout and joint pain. Gout is a kind of arthritis. It causes sudden severe pain, swelling, redness, and soreness in the joints. Gout happens because of high levels of uric acid in the blood, which can form sharp crystals in and around joints, causing pain and inflammation. A helpful remedy for gout is baking soda. It works by making body fluids, like blood and urine, less acidic. This helps uric acid dissolve and get out of the body more easily, which can lower uric acid levels and prevent gout attacks. To use baking soda, dissolve half a teaspoon in a glass of water and drink it several times a day. Do not take more than 4 teaspoons in one day or use this remedy for more than 2 weeks without talking to a doctor. A 2023 study found that baking soda helped lower uric acid levels and improved symptoms in people with gout. This suggests baking soda could be a helpful addition to gout treatment, but it should not replace medications prescribed by a doctor. Anyone thinking about using baking soda for gout should speak to their healthcare provider first, especially if they have high blood pressure or kidney disease, because of the sodium content in baking soda and its effects on body fluids. 9. Cognition emerging. Emerging evidence suggests that making the blood less acidic, possibly by taking sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, may benefit brain function. Increased blood acidity, systemic acidosis, can negatively affect the brain and lead to cognitive decline. A 2021 study in nephrology dialysis transplantation found that older adults with higher blood acidity levels showed worse cognitive performance. This indicates that managing blood acidity could improve cognitive health. While the study didn't use baking soda specifically, it highlights the possible cognitive benefits of keeping the body's acid-base balance. To try this, you could dissolve about 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in a large glass of water and drink it daily. However, it's important to be cautious, as too much can cause electrolyte imbalances and other side effects. Before starting any new regimen for cognitive enhancement, especially involving baking soda, consult with a healthcare professional. This ensures the practice is safe and suitable for your specific health needs and considers any existing conditions or medications. 10. Soothe canker sores. Canker sores, also known as aphthous ulcers, are small painful spots inside the mouth or at the base of the gums. The exact cause isn't fully known, but they can be triggered by stress, minor mouth injuries, or certain foods. A simple and effective home remedy for canker sores is baking soda. Baking soda helps neutralize acids in the mouth, creating a less acidic environment that promotes healing and reduces pain. Its alkaline nature also reduces inflammation and may prevent microorganisms from worsening the sore. To use baking soda for canker sores, you can make a paste or mouth rinse. For the paste, mix a small amount of baking soda with water to form a thick paste and apply it directly to the sore. For the mouth rinse, dissolve 1 teaspoon of baking soda in half a cup of warm water. Swish it around your mouth for about 30 seconds, and then spit it out. Do this several times a day until the sore improves. Research in the Canadian Medical Association Journal has shown that baking soda can reduce the discomfort and duration of canker sores, highlighting its benefits as a supportive, cost-effective, and readily available treatment. 11. Deodorizing. Sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda, is great at neutralizing odors. This is why people use it as a natural deodorant for their bodies and as a deodorizer around the home. Baking soda's ability to break down acidic and basic compounds into less smelly salts helps eliminate unpleasant smells. For personal use, applying a small amount of baking soda to your underarms can neutralize body odor caused by sweat. Around the home, you can sprinkle baking soda on carpets, in trash bins, or in shoes. Let it sit for a bit, then vacuum or shake it out to remove odors. Research supports these uses. A 2022 study in the Journal of Achievements in Materials and Manufacturing Engineering showed that baking soda effectively reduces odors in various settings. This study also pointed out its potential for personal care, waste management, and improving indoor air quality. Baking soda is versatile and safe, making it a great natural alternative to chemical deodorants and air fresheners. By using baking soda in daily hygiene or household routines, you can manage odors naturally and effectively. 12. Improved chemotherapy efficacy. The effectiveness of chemotherapy can be affected by the acidity of the tumor environment. The pH level around tumors can impact how well the drugs work. Researchers have looked into using an alkaline substance, like baking soda, to change this environment, making cancer cells more sensitive to chemotherapy. A study published in the Biological and Pharmaceutical Bulletin in 2021 examined if taking sodium bicarbonate orally could change the pH of tumors. They found that increasing the alkalinity around cancer cells made the drugs more effective by weakening the tumor cells' defense mechanisms. This indicates that adding baking soda to the treatment plan might make chemotherapy more effective. Patients considering this approach should talk to their oncologist first. The usual method involves drinking a solution of baking soda, typically about half a teaspoon dissolved in water, daily during chemotherapy. The exact dosage and timing should be managed by a doctor to ensure it does not interfere with the chemotherapy drugs or worsen other health issues. While promising, this treatment addition is still being studied, and more research is needed to set standard guidelines and confirm its long-term safety and benefits. This research shows a possible new way to use a common household item to potentially improve cancer treatment outcomes. That's it for today's video. We've discovered some amazing ways that baking soda can benefit your health, from easing indigestion to boosting physical performance. Now, we want to hear from you. Are you using baking soda for health? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, just type yes in the comments. Your feedback helps us create more content like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more health tips and tricks.